So today is a big day. We're printing off some orders. Okay, welcome to a day in my life. And I think we're printing off about 50 to 100 orders today. And the goal is to get those staged and ready to go out ASAP, no Rocky. It is early-ish for me. That is why I sound like T-Boz right now.
When it comes to getting liquid, I'm always the one. Come on and get double caked up and get you some. We have the thicker than a stick of cream to get you the booty of your dreams.
Getting ready to go for a walk right now, me and my little boogie boots, okay? Because I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, okay? I'm currently communicating with our new label designer, and there's a huge time difference. As you can tell, I was up very late talking with them. So things are finally moving in the right direction, but it's taking some time. And I'm finally open and willing to release the things that I cannot do for myself, okay? And actually willing to ask for help and ask for people that are experts in that particular area. Because, baby, listen, I'm not doing it on my own, not this time, okay? I'm currently having like a little PCOS flare-up. And I'm just acknowledging the things in my body.
When it comes to getting liquid, I'm always the one. Come on and get double caked up and get you some. We have the thicker than a stick of cream to get you the booty of your dreams. Come on.
Her opening the door all by herself. Okay, girl, open the door. Open the door. Well, it's enough for you to fit through, so. Like, that's it. It's good for me. Y'all, this is my first week of Cook Unity, okay? I'm getting this weight off my body, okay? The walk is done. Emails have been checked. Lunch has been had. Let's get to work.
Flawless, where your glow up begins. Fit, fine, flawless, no need to pretend. Over 500 5-star reviews. This time you have to stand up and say you're choosing you. It's your time to glow up. Give us 90 days and continue to show up. Stop sleeping on yourself and reach your dreams. We are here to help you, queen. Fine, flawless, where your glow up begins. Fit, fine, flawless, no need to pretend. Over 500 5-star.
So I am currently halfway done with packing, okay? Still gotta pack up the glass items, and then there's a bunch of like multi-pack orders, and I always wait for my husband to double check those. So I'm just packing the easiest stuff first. So now I gotta make the protein powder, and we literally make all of our products, so the protein powder takes forever to make. So I'm gonna make the protein powder now, pack up everything that I can, stage the rest, and then have him come check it. But I'm feeling kind of right now, so I may go for another walk just to clear my head for a little while. And I also got to check a bunch of emails, so.
Our products work, thank me later. Please don't be a super hater. Yes, I know plants and herbs may confuse you, but please just don't refuse to. Look at the facts, here's picture proof. Not everyone on the internet is lying to you. They not like us and flawless we trust. They not like us. They not like us and flawless we trust. They not like us. Our products work, thank me later.
I gotta look up what some of these bundles are because I've made so many bundles over the years. I cannot remember all my bundles. So let me hurry up and go look those up. Y'all see I got this little thing right here. That's how I was getting those shots earlier. Shot. Okay, anyway. Yeah. I need to turn off my music so that I won't get copyright striked, because that's what's not happening. So y'all gonna hear a whole bunch of original videos, original music throughout the duration of the YouTube journey. Okay.
Fine, flawless, where your glow up begins. Fit, fine, flawless, no need to pretend. Over 500 5-star reviews. This time you have to stand up and say you're choosing you. It's your time to glow up. Give us 90 days and continue to show up. Stop sleeping on yourself and reach your dreams. We are here to help you, queen.
We did use to ship on DoorDash, but it makes an amazing carrying case for y'all orders. Oh my gosh. Yes. So I'm putting all the packages in here that will fit. And then the other ones, I will go ahead and fit those in another. Actually got this from a private plane. Ew. And this company is pretty much like the Uber of private planes. But upcycling once again, ew. It doesn't matter how much money you got. You still gotta live on planet Earth. It was an ad for him. I didn't go on a private plane. Because my husband will not go on a private plane. He thinks it's too small. Which, in all actuality, it is kind of really small. And I understand the fear. I get it. But I'm just like, once in life, come on, man. Random Windex on the floor. Okay. Two. I gotta go in here. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. So that's 10 plus the around 25 that's in here. So 25 plus 10 is 35. So we got some more orders that are on the docket to go out to. This is the first of 6 bags. Okay, we got around 30 in here, and this is 10. So this is 40 packages. I'm gonna run to the post office and drop these off. First, let's do something about this hair and everything. I'm gonna change my clothes.
Let me let you in on a little secret. 3 words: fit, fine, flawless. If you have been trying to grow your booty and enhance your curves, this video is for you, so listen up. The Fit Fine Flawless makes the best natural, vegan, booty growing and curve enhancing products for the girls, and I'm about to put y'all on. First up is the OG Thicker Than a Snicker cream. This cream has been like my go-to for the past 5 or 6 years. It has helped me grow my curves so much. You will be so surprised at the results if you use it. It literally says on the bottle, Booty Building Bestie Cream. We're not a bakery, but we build cakes. The original viral BBL in a bottle. Like, it literally gets no better than this. Like I said, the products are all natural, so you don't have to worry about any side effects. What you do is take a quarter-size amount, apply it in a circular motion to your glutes and your hips, wherever you want to grow, and do that twice a day. And again, when I say you will be amazed at the results, your friends will be amazed at the results, your man will be amazed at the results. You need this in your life. Like, go get this, sis. Like, I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is the one. This is the product. Like, you're hearing it from me. I have personally used it for years. I love it. You need it. Next up is the Big Booty Bae Appetite Stimulator and Curve Enhancer and the Get Thick Gummies. Both of these are going to be consumable products, but like I said, they are all vegan, all natural, no chemicals added, no GMO. All the ingredients are listed on the side, and you are going to take these along with the Thicker Than a Snicker cream that you're applying topically. And girl, when I say everyone is going to think you got a BBL, but you're not going to have to spend thousands of dollars. You're not going to have to go through the painful surgery or the recovery. You're not going to have to risk your life. Like, I'm trying to put y'all on. You can sleep if you want to, but when I say these two with the Thicker Than a Snicker cream, golden. I mean, do I need to say more? Black-owned company, natural, vegan, curve-enhancing products. They'll help you gain weight in the right places. They'll help you keep that weight even after you stop taking them. And you don't have to pay thousands of dollars for a surgery. Get this in your life. And honestly, even the girls who have gotten surgery, and you know how some of your fat cells die after the BBL, use these products. When I say you're going to be so surprised that it works. Like, you are going to be shocked. You and everyone else that sees you. They're going to be like, girl, what did you do? They're going to try to say that you got a BBL, but no, tell them you want to Fit Fine Flawless.
Do you want your content to be seen? Get on the big screen, we have the platform. We help you get your waist snatched and your pockets fat. We are here to bridge the gap and get you the exposure you need to succeed. Getting you exposure and helping you achieve your body goals. Who knew we could be so bold? We help you get your waist snatched and your pockets fat. We are here to bridge the gap and get you the exposure you need to succeed in your influencer dreams. The Fit Fine Flawless.